Okay, quick video. I'm working on a 2011 Ford Fusion with a 3.0 liter engine, and it had a P0456 Evap small leak code. I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to test it. This is just quick. This doesn't mean this is the only thing that can happen. I unplugged the purge valve while it's running, and then I unplugged the vacuum or the purge tube going to the tank. Push these clips out the back and then wiggle this thing off. And then I stuck my finger on the top of the old purge valve while it was running. Look at that right here. So this is plugged in down there, down inside this hole. Goes down in here like so. So while it's running and everything's unplugged, this shouldn't be operating at all. There should be no suction on this thing. You stick your finger to it and it's sucking my finger. So that means that valve is not closing all the way. If there's no power to it, there's no reason for it to be open. This valve, more than likely, almost 90% of the time, this valve is bad. And it's just two 8mm bolts on each side. Get a little ratcheting wrench, ratchet them out of there. Go ahead and wiggle this thing out. Get your new valve. Pop it in, put your bolts and stuff back in, hook all your connections and stuff back up, and wham, clear codes, you're done. Problem fixed. Y'all be blessed. Subscribe to the channel and thumbs up. Thank you for being here.